Okay, today's notes cover ratios and proportions. So let's start with what a ratio is. A ratio is a relationship between two quantities normally expressed as the quotient of A and B. It's a fraction. A proportion is when two ratios are equal. If A divided by B is equal to C divided by D, then we know that A times D is equal to B times C. This is what we call the butterfly or cross multiply. Okay, so let's determine whether each pair of ratios forms a proportion. If I cross multiply, will I get the same number? Well, 4 times 16 is, let's see, what's 16 times 4? 32, 64. All right, and what's 6 times 12? Well, 6 times 12 is 72. So these are not equal. So this is not a proportion. All right, let's take a look at B. Cross multiply. 5 times 6, does that equal 3 times 10? Yes. 30 is equal to 30. All right, we've got some that we'll probably need a calculator for, so let's see. This time we're solving for A. A times 4 is equal to 7.8 times 3.82. Let me go ahead and grab a calculator and we'll get this worked out. .8 times 3.82. A times 4 is equal to 29.796. If I divide both sides by 4, A is going to be 7.449. In number 3, we've got another cross multiply, so 3 times x is equal to 7 times x plus 2. This time we'll need to distribute first, and then we can solve for x. So I'm going to take away 7x on both sides. That gives me negative 4x is equal to 14. And if I divide both sides by negative 4, x is going to equal, how about if I reduce that fraction, negative 7 over 2. In problem number 4, let's cross multiply. 5 times x, is equal to 3 times x plus 6. 5x is equal to 3x plus 18. Subtract 3x on both sides, and x is equal to 9. And our last example, 2 times x plus 6. I want you to notice that it doesn't matter which fraction you put first. You can do the 2 times x plus 6 equals the 4 times x minus 2, or vice versa. Distribute, combine your like terms. And we're solving for x, so I subtracted 2x on both sides. That gives me 2x on the right. And I added 8 to both sides, and so that gives me 20. When I divide, x is equal to 10.